Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Helps the channel out a ton. Leave a comment as that helps as well. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a Mighty Meaty Spaghetti. And first thing we got to do is take this 2 pounds of ground beef and fry it up. And as you can see here, I got a nice Dutch oven with a little bit of oil in it. Probably, I don't know, a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. And I took 1 medium onion, chopped that up, and we're going to let that get translucent. So, a couple of minutes. You know, you just kind of want to keep an eye on it, stir it around. All right, and after the onions have started to get translucent, it's time to add approximately a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give that a quick little stir. And then you want to add about 4 cloves of minced garlic. And then swirl that around. Give that about a minute, maybe 2, to cook up. And then we'll be ready to add the next batch of stuff. And the rest comes in the form of 2 28-ounce cans of tomato sauce. If you want to get extra fancy, grab yourself 2 28-ounce cans of San Marzano tomato and puree them in your blender. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and salt and pepper. And then we're just going to let this simmer for about 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, see you at the next step. And before we really get started on our journey, let's add the 2 pounds of ground beef back in. Again, stir, and then simmer for, like I said, about 45 to 50 minutes, and you want to stir this occasionally, so like you can't leave the house, but you can play a video game. Just put your game on pause every so often and give it a little stir. And at some point, make some pasta. Shape is completely irrelevant. I think I just went with straight up spaghetti, but shape is really irrelevant. This is a pretty thick pasta, so for once, I wouldn't recommend putting the pasta in the sauce, because I didn't, but all right. I'll see you guys in about an hour, and we'll be ready to plate up. Okay, as you can see here, I got a nice little portion of pasta in my bowl. Like I said, I just went with straight up spaghetti. And normally, like I said, normally I put the pasta in the sauce, but this one was like super fucking thick. So I decided against that, and if my slow, cumbersome behind would hurry up, and there we are. Got about 3 generous ladles of our wonderful sauce. And that is Mighty Meaty Spaghetti. Done.